Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fully factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're selling your Samsung Smart TV and you want to go ahead and reset it, which means that it's going to return it to its factory default settings. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we'll do first is that we're going to grab our remote and click on the home icon and then navigate to the left to where it says settings. So click on settings. And then from this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says support. So you want to scroll down to where it says general. And then on this page, you want to scroll all the way down until it says reset. So this right here is going to reset your Samsung Smart TV to its factory defaults. So once you do that, any installed apps are going to be removed, and it's also going to log you out of any default apps. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fully factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.